Hello learners, I hope you are doing pretty good in your life. So today we are going to delve into the art of effective English writing. Whether you are crafting essays, emails or creative stories, mastering the fundamentals of writing is essential. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. First off, let's talk about the importance of planning your writing. Before you start writing, take some time to brainstorm ideas and outline your thoughts. This will help you to stay organized and ensure that your writing flows logically from start to finish. Now that you have a plan in place, it is time to start drafting your writing. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. Just focus on getting your ideas down on paper. Remember, you can always revise and edit later. Next, let's talk about clarity and conciseness. When writing in English, it is important to express your ideas clearly and concisely. Avoid using unnecessary words or jargon that might confuse your readers. Instead, opt for single, straightforward language that conveys your message effectively. Another key aspect of effective writing is grammar and punctuation. Close attention to grammar rules and punctuation marks to ensure that your writing is grammatically correct and easy to read. Remember to proofread your work carefully before finalizing it. And in addition to clarity and correctness, it is important to engage your audience with your writing. Use descriptive language, vivid imagery, and storytelling techniques to bring your ideas to life. Consider your audience's interests and perspectives when crafting your writing. Now, let us talk about the importance of revision and editing. As I already mentioned that you have to proofread several times while or after writing your stuff. Once you have drafted your writing, take the time to review and revise it. Look for areas where you can improve clarity, coherence, and cohesion. Pay attention to sentence structure, paragraph transitions, and overall organization as well. Finally, don't forget to edit your writing grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. Use grammar checkers and proofreading tools to help you catch any mistakes you might have missed. Remember, even the most experienced writers make typos, so don't be too hard on yourself. For proofreading, you can use a tool here, which is called Grammarly. There is a two version of Grammarly, one is free and one is paid. You can use the free version, it really helps you in your writing as well. That is all for today's video. I hope you found these tips for effective English writing helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language learning content. Thanks for watching and happy writing.